just wanna testify, make it crystal clear. See, I've been picked out to be picked on, talked about out my friend's mouth. I've been beat down till he turned my life around. Seems like I always fall short of being worthy. I ain't good enough, but he still loves me. I ain't no superstar, the spotlight ain't shining on me.
No.
I ain't good enough, but he still loves me. That's me.
I used to wake up some days and wish I stayed asleep, cause I went to bed on top of the world. Today the world's on top of me. Now everybody's got opinions, they ain't fitting my position. That it breaks my heart when I hear what they have to say about me.
What they say about you? I always fall short of being worthy.
Lord, I ain't worthy,
'cause I ain't good enough, but you still love me. I ain't no superstar,
I ain't no superstar. I wanna be for you.
I ain't good enough,
But he still loves me.
I'm not perfect.
Not perfect.
Yes, I do wrong. Yes, I do. I'm trying my best.
Trying my best.
This ain't good enough. No.
Something about the world. I don't succeed.
I ain't good enough.
Just ain't good enough. Would you love me?
If you ain't worthy, just raise your hands and let me know that you understand
That we are all so blessed to be loved. Stand for him or fall for anything, 'cause through his eyes we all look the same.